the beeswax. The flame is not quite on the bottom, so it's not burning. 100 mils of beeswax, 50 mils of linseed, and now 50 mils of turps. We'll see what happens when that's stirred. I've taken this Sea to Summit waterproof bag out of the canvas one. This is going to be the rough and tumble one, but I still have to make it waterproof. So to get a similar shape, I'm going to wrap a towel around this and see how we go. Might be a bit tricky getting this into the bag, but I do want to have the bulk shape. Right, it's nearly in. I've just got to do the zip up. Bit of pushing and shoving there and get the zip done. Now, got to have both hands to do this zip. Right, zip closed, and I'll just pull the skirt down. That covers the zip. And we'll start our trial run on this bit. Okay, so it's softened a little bit, but still hot enough for me to actually start painting it on. And as soon as it hits, it becomes quite dry. And later on, I'll use the heat gun. The heat gun will make sure that all of that goes right inside the weave of the canvas. Okay, so I've done my test, used the heat gun. I've left part of it untreated to see what happens. Here we go. Just going to do the end. So I've done the end. This end has got big lumps of it, and I want to smooth it out. So now it's the heat gun's job to do that. This is why I put plastic on the table, because there will be drips. You can see the very big difference between dry canvas and beeswax. Be interesting to see what happens to my leather. Just a light coating on that. You can see there's still parts here of the light blue, which means there's not quite enough. Had to finish the job out here because the beeswax set off the smoke alarm.